My name's Eddie Cornell. I'm a veteran of the Canadian Forces. I served in a combat arms trade, and I'm calling on all fellow veterans to stand up for your country once again. You're not wearing your uniform at this point, but you're a soldier, no less the same that you were prior to retiring. We are in a very critical situation in this country where our freedoms have been taken away. All of you know what it's like to stand up for freedom and democracy around the world. We've done it, and it's your turn to do it here in our own country. They're starting to take it away. You can see it, you can smell it. I need you to come here and support this action. You have to be part of something bigger than yourself. Don't be afraid to put yourself in harm's way like you did before. Putting yourself in harm's way got you where you are now, and you need to do it once again. I'm calling Stand 2 for all my brothers and sisters that served to come. Come to Ottawa. If you can't come to Ottawa, stand up in your community. Let your voice be heard. And I mean in a non-violent way. Violence is something that is not what we're trying to have anything do to incite insurrection or anything of that nature. I'm asking you in a peaceful manner to come forward and stand up for your country and hold the line.